Hi guys, it's me Bianca. I'm going to tell you guys all the things you need to make slime. You're going to need a cup. I'm getting a cup. Any kind of cup is fine as long as you can throw it out, recycle it, or wash it. You'll need some baking soda. And finally, you'll need some soap. I don't have right now at the moment because my mom's little maid. She doesn't like it when I sneak around a lot, like ask for stuff when she's made. So I'm gonna probably later today or tomorrow I'll make how to exactly make it. I'll just tell you guys quickly. So just add the baking soda in the cup, put the dish soap. Oh, and you need to have a spoon. And you need to put the baking soda in the cup, put the dish soap in the cup, stir it, and if it's too mushy because of the soap, add more baking soda. If it's too hard because of the baking soda, add more soap. If it's perfect, it's perfect. So, yeah. I was choking on my saliva. Okay, so remember the materials you'll need is some baking soda, some soap, which I don't have at the moment, and a spoon, cup, and soap. Bye guys!